Whatcha? What's that about? Hey everyone, today I want to talk about the reduced phrase whatcha. Whatcha is a reduction of the longer phrase what are you plus a verb plus ing. So for example, I could ask, what are you watching? And I could reduce this to what you watching or what you watching. And when I reduce this, I remove be, so I take away are, and I shorten watching to watchin'. What are you watching? What you watching? Let's look at a couple more examples. Hey, what you doing?
I'm looking at places to stay in the Grand Canyon.
What you eating? Looks good.
Eating some hip peas.
Yum. Oh, okay, I get it. One more question. Where'd you get that sweatshirt? It's pretty cool.
Oh yeah, thank you. It's from UIC Tutorium.
Nice. That sounds like a really cool school.
Oh yeah, totally.
All right, thanks for watching this video. And two more quick notes about whatcha. We can also use this phrase as a reduction of what do you? What do you want? What you want? What you want? What you want for dinner? Or what have you? What have you been up to? What you been up to? So those are two more places where we will hear this reduction.